Hello, all pioneers around the world. Just imagine walking into your favorite fast food spot and paying with the cryptocurrency you mined on your phone. No banks, no middlemen, just PiCoin. Do you know China Inbox accepts PiCoin payments? Also, Pi Network officially present in Brazil. Wow, this is good news. Another huge topic I got for you. Pi Network ready to beat Bitcoin and Ethereum on its bullish journey? After reaching a low point, Pi Network is making a significant comeback. The recent formation of a bullish wedge on its price chart suggests that a significant upward move could be on the horizon. But the question is Pi poised for a sharp increase? And could it challenge the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the cryptocurrency market? Well, pioneers, that dream just became reality in Brazil. In this video, we've got two earth-shaking updates for you. China Inbox, one of Brazil's biggest fast food chains, now accepts PiCoin at its Agua Verde branch. And our beloved Pi is bouncing back with a bullish wedge forming on the charts. Stick around because you're in the right place, where we'll reveal a surprise partnership on the Pi testnet that you won't want to miss. Okay. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you fresh, valuable, and engaging updates on Pi Network's journey from smartphone mining to real-world payments. If you've been mining Pi since day one, or you're just discovering our eco-friendly mobile-first blockchain, smash subscribe button and ring the bell for more updates. Also drop Pi Network to the moon, along with your country, to show the world how global and passionate our community truly is. Don't forget to like and share. In a landmark move for cryptocurrency adoption, China Inbox, one of Brazil's leading fast food chains, has officially started accepting PiCoin at its Agua Verde location in Curitiba. For years, pioneers have been dreaming of a use case beyond the digital realm, and now that dream is coming true. Diners can simply open their Pi wallet, scan the restaurant's payment code, and watch their Pi transfer in real time to settle the bill. This isn't an isolated experiment or a tech demo. It's a full integration into the day-to-day operations of a major restaurant brand. What makes this news so significant is the way it bridges the gap between virtual tokens and physical commerce. By accepting PiCoin at the point of sale, China Inbox is doing more than just testing a new payment method. It's embracing digital financial inclusion, offering an alternative to credit cards and cash, and signaling to other merchants that decentralized currencies are ready for prime time. Customers in Curitiba now have the freedom to choose Pi over fiat currency, transforming a simple lunch outing into a demonstration of blockchain's potential for mainstream use. This partnership also highlights South America's growing appetite for blockchain solutions and alternative payment systems. As traditional banking services can be limited or expensive in emerging markets, cryptocurrencies like Pi offer an accessible, low-cost way for millions to transact seamlessly. For pioneers in Brazil, this development is a testament to the value of a strong, engaged community, tens of millions of users who have mined and held Pi in anticipation of real-world utility. Now, that utility has arrived, and it couldn't come at a better time. But that's only half the story. While Pi is making headlines in Brazil, the charts are lighting up with a bullish wedge pattern, one of the most promising signals for a sharp price breakout. After what many called a rock-bottom phase, PiCoin's price action has been squeezing between narrowing support and resistance lines. In a bullish wedge, the lower trend line slopes upward and the upper line descends, creating a pressure cooker effect that often ends with a decisive move to the upside. Technical analysts are watching closely because history shows that when assets break out of a well-formed bullish wedge, the result can be a rapid rally. For Pi, the combination of real-world adoption at China Inbox and the formation of this bullish wedge sets the stage for a potential surge in demand. As more people use Pi for everyday purchases, that demand could feed right back into market momentum, creating a feedback loop that propels the price higher. This convergence of adoption and technical momentum represents a vote of confidence from both merchants and the market. On one hand, China Inbox is validating Pi's viability as a payment option. On the other, traders and investors are recognizing the strength of Pi's recovery by positioning for the wedge breakout. When a major chain like China Inbox rolls out Pi payments, it sends a clear message to regulators, exchanges, and other businesses that this network is not only here to stay, but ready to grow. Looking ahead, the real question is how we can capitalize on this moment. First, keep an eye on additional merchant integrations. Each new partner reinforces Pi's utility and brings more eyes and wallets onto the network. Second, watch for Pi's full mainnet launch and listings on top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, which could unlock liquidity and attract institutional interest. Third, get ready for a wave of decentralized applications and consumer-friendly tools that will make spending Pi as simple as opening an app. China Inbox's decision to accept Pi coin is a symbol of what may soon become a broader trend: cryptocurrencies moving off the screen and into the streets. As economic landscapes evolve and digital currencies gain ground, initiatives like this one offer a glimpse into a future where traditional financial systems coexist and even collaborate with decentralized alternatives. Pi network's rise from the depths of uncertainty could be the beginning of a major shift in the cryptocurrency market. With the formation of a bullish wedge pattern, Pi is positioning itself for a potential breakout. If the network can leverage its strengths, such as its growing user base, strong community, and commitment to decentralization, it could have the opportunity to challenge the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the future. However, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and there are still numerous hurdles for Pi Network to overcome. Despite the uncertainty, Pi Network's future looks increasingly promising, and the potential for growth is undeniable. Thank you, pioneers, for being with us. If you're excited by today's developments, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth news on Pi Network. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update when we drop tutorials on how to pay with Pi at local businesses or deep dives into our evolving ecosystem. In our next video, we'll walk you through setting up your own Pi payment gateway, give you an exclusive tour of a brand new Pi wallet feature, and share details on that surprise testnet partnership I teased earlier.